Hello friends, today I'm going to cook one of the very famous street food dish, that is egg roll. So whether you cook egg roll, veg roll, chicken roll, I think the process basically remains the same. It is the only the ingredients that is going to differ. So let's see what we need to cook this egg roll. So I've taken here around one cup of all-purpose flour, which we call it as maida. Instead of maida, you can also take wheat, that is atta. So whether you take maida or atta, I think you can. The rolls are going to be good. But I think when you use maida, the all-purpose wheat, I think the taste of the roll is much more better. And apart from that, I've taken one egg over here, one complete egg. For vegetables, you can take any kind of vegetables of your choice, but what I've taken here is one medium size onion, which I have thinly crushed. I have taken a little bit of capsicum, around 2 green chilies, very small pieces of tomatoes, and little bit of spring onions. Now this is a spring onions which actually have grown at my home, so I've cultivated this at my home, but you can also get the ordinary spring onions that you get in the market. Only advantage of this spring onions is that they are very thin, so you're going to get very good taste out of it, because these are very thin spring onions. So let's start preparing this egg roll. So in the maida, I'm going to add little bit of salt. I'm going to add little bit of refined oil. Just a little bit. And what I'm going to add is I'm going to add little bit of ajwain. This is something optional. You may or may not do it, but I think when you add ajwain to your flour, it's going to give you a very good taste. And now I'm going to make a dough out of it. So let's prepare the dough. So I've already prepared the dough, and you can see that the dough is very soft. So you have to make a very soft dough out of it, and I'm going to keep it aside for next around 10 to 15 minutes, so that the entire dough is set and we can cook it further. Now let's come to the egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of salt, table salt as per the taste. And I'm going to add little bit of oregano flakes, the one that you get in the one that you use for the pizzas for garnishing them. So I'm using that. So with the help of this, you're going to get very good taste out of this egg roll. And let me smash it. So the eggs are ready now. So now I'm going to cook the vegetables. The vegetable I'm using is onion, tomato, green chilies, capsicum, and spring onions. I've taken a pan over here. I've taken oil over here, and oil is heated up. So I'm going to add all the vegetables that I have taken, and I'm going to fry this at a very medium flame for another 4 to 5 minutes. Yeah. We are going to saute them. So let's slowly saute all my vegetables. I'm going to add a little bit of table salt again. I'm going to mix them well. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili powder. I'll add little bit of, very less, garam masala. I'll mix them well. And finally, I'm going to add a little bit of soya sauce. Let me mix them well. I think my vegetables are almost ready. I'm going to cook it for another just 1 minute. My vegetables are ready. I've switched off the gas flame, and I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Now let's move ahead with the dough. So I'm going to make a paratha out of this. Now I'm not suggesting like how big the paratha should be, because it depends upon your taste. You can make as big paratha as you want. So I'm not suggesting anything over here. So let me make one paratha for myself, and it's going to be the round shaped. So I made a paratha out of it. Remember that when you make a paratha, my suggestion would be do not make it very thin or very thick. So if you make it very thick, it will not be cooked from inside. If you make it very thin, I think it can get the thin parathas can get burnt also. So be sure that you do not make it very thin or very thick. I've taken oil and I've heated the oil, and I'm going to cook this in a high flame. So I'm going to put the paratha on this oil. And we're going to cook it on a high flame. I need to keep it rotating. I'll keep it rotating, and I will also keep it pressing in the meanwhile. So this is how we need to cook this roll. So I'm rotating it, and as well as at the same time I'm pressing it. Yeah. Let me keep doing that. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes to cook the entire paratha. Now I have done the same from the other side. I will keep rotating it. So my paratha is ready. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Now I've retained the same oil. I'm going to quickly add the egg that I have taken. I'm going to quickly add this. I'll just rotate the container everywhere. I'll cook this for around 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm going to add the paratha on this. I'll add the paratha on this. So my egg roll is kind of ready now. So I'm going to put the vegetables and I'm going to wrap it. Let's put the vegetable first. I'm going to put the vegetables in middle. So I'm going to put the vegetables that I have to cook. I'm going to put that in the middle of it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of pepper powder on this. Little bit of oregano powder. Oregano flakes. I'll add little bit of chili sauce that is readily available in the market. And I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. My egg roll is almost ready. Now I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm just going to cover this with a tissue paper. तो मैंने एग रोल का भी टिश्यू पेपर में रैप कर दिया है. तब तक के लिए आप इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए. किसी भी तरह का सजेशन से सुझाव मुझे बता दीजिएगा. तब तक टेक केयर. गुड नाइट. बाय बाय.